The secret world your brain enters every night. Tonight, you'll close your eyes, lose consciousness, become completely vulnerable. And yet, your brain will begin one of the most extraordinary operations in nature. It will clean itself. It will organize memories. It will process emotions. And it will create entire worlds that don't exist. The strangest part? Scientists still don't fully understand why we dream. Here are 25 mind-blowing facts about sleep and dreams that will change how you think about bedtime forever. Fact 1. You will spend nearly 26 years of your life asleep. That's more time than most people spend working. Fact 2. Staying awake for 24 hours can impair your brain similarly to being drunk, yet millions of people do it voluntarily. Fact 3. According to Matthew Walker's best-selling book, Why We Sleep, sleep is the most effective daily reset button available to humans. Fact 4. Without enough sleep, your brain struggles to create new memories. Fact 5. Scientists have never discovered a species that can survive forever without sleep. Sleep is not a luxury, it's survival. Fact 6. Every night, your brain decides which memories are worth keeping. Fact 7. While you sleep, it literally replays parts of your day. Fact 8. Students who sleep after studying remember more than students who don't. Fact 9. Some of history's most famous discoveries were inspired by dreams. Ideas sometimes arrive when consciousness disappears. Fact 10. Scientists believe dreams may function like a virtual reality simulator, practicing future challenges before they happen. Your brain may be training you while you're unconscious. Quick question, have you ever had a dream so real that you thought it actually happened? Comment yes below if you have. And if you're fascinated by psychology, human behavior, and the hidden powers of the mind, subscribe now, because every week we uncover secrets your brain keeps hidden from you. Now things get even stranger. 11. You forget nearly 90% of your dreams, sometimes within minutes. Fact 12. During REM sleep, your brain becomes incredibly active. Fact 13. This is why dreams often feel intensely emotional. Fear, love, joy, anxiety. Fact 14. Brain scans show activity levels during dreams that can rival those seen while awake. Fact 15. In some moments, parts of your brain may be working harder during sleep than while you're watching this video. Fact 16. Lack of sleep makes negative experiences feel worse. Fact 17. People who sleep less often report more anxiety and stress. Fact 18. Research suggests sleep deprivation can increase emotional reactions dramatically. Fact 19. That's because your brain's emotional alarm center becomes hyperactive. Fact 20. Ever notice that problems seem bigger at 2 a.m.? Sleep deprivation may be the reason. Fact 21. For decades, scientists believed the brain had no cleaning system. Fact 22. They were wrong. Fact 23. While you sleep, the glymphatic system becomes highly active. Fact 24. It removes waste products that accumulate throughout the day. Think of it as a nightly cleaning crew for your brain. Fact 25. Every time you sacrifice sleep, you reduce your brain's opportunity to repair itself. And that's a price many people don't realize they're paying. Tonight, while you're asleep, your brain will organize memories, repair neural connections, process emotions, and clean itself. The most advanced machine you'll ever own works hardest when you're unconscious. Sleep isn't wasted time. It's the foundation of everything you do while awake. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for more psychology facts. And tell us in the comments, what's the strangest dream you've ever had? Good night, and let your brain take the night shift.